As a business owner, as a small business owner or a professional, you must have one Facebook page. If you are a professional, you can make it in your name. A businessman create a business page for people, give the give it your name. Like if I am Neeraj Kumar, I must have a page named Neeraj Kumar. Even if your main social media channel is LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram or Pinterest or anything, because you cannot deny that Facebook is the most popular social media platform these days. Many a times we don't create a Facebook business page for us or for our business because we are not sure what to post on it, what to post, how to post regular contents. So there is a simple solution. You can make 3 to 5 videos or long post for your Facebook page, and you can build your audience through that page, that through those posts only. If you are a consultant, if you are a knowledge based consultant, find 5 major questions and give their answers in those videos or the long post. You don't need to think about the video quality or the creativity or anything. Genuine content related to you, your audience, or your prospect, or your would be client, or would be buyer. Talk about problems, talk about solutions, and how can we solve a problem. Like if I am a Facebook advertiser, I can talk about how to set up pixel on your website, how to create events, what a page, what a advertiser has to do. 2 3 steps there are that you have to verify your domain, you have to link your ad manager to a pixel, add account to your pixel, you have to create something called aggregated events, or you can I can talk about how much budget we should start with for lead generation or for sales or for branding also. As a dentist, if you are a dentist, you can talk about why our teeth become yellow, what to do to keep it shining, or what is the best way to keep your smile very attractive. What is the importance of teeth for your smiling face, for your personality? Anything like that. Those posts are going to attract some people in initial days when you share it, when you link it in your blog or in your mm, other groups or other social media channels. And then promote all of them regularly every day with 75 rupees. Post engagement ad, run post engagement ad, and you don't need to post regularly. You only have those five, only five pillar posts on your page, and see that slowly you will build a very dedicated audience. Then you can use those audience with, you can use such audience for retargeting by post engagement ad. Make a custom audience, all audience who engaged with your post on in last 365 days. You will then run ads to invite them to like the page. You can run ads to generate leads. You can run ads to take them to your website. So it is not a rocket science to build your audience on Facebook. Do it. I have done it for one of my clients in 2019 for 6 months. I have done that only for 6 months, and he is all getting, because then I didn't have any work there. There was five, actually seven posts, and then we paused two, and he's continuously running 75 rupees ad, post engagement ad for those five posts, and growing its audience. He is a professional. I can't tell you his name because there are regions, some clients don't want to share their page or results, but he is getting comments. People are asking questions there, and he is replying. And he is all not only generating engagement, sorry, engagement, but he is also getting some clients. So it is a do it very good method, and he is not now posting anything on that page. Sometimes he shares some things, but not regularly, not routinely. And only those five posts are doing great work for him. He has active pixel. He has a website, and some people goes there. Do you know, when you promote a post from your ad manager, you can add call to action button, and there you can also put your website link, and that way you can also take them. Some people who are convinced or who want to learn more about you or your business, they went to your website, they visit your website, they engage there, they download something, if there is free book, or they register for webinar, free webinar, or demo of any product. So only having five posts can do great things for you or your business. Just test it.